March 7th, it's about 35 degrees. I already moved one of my colonies so I could practice. But this is the bigger colony. I'm going to move it about 100 yards. And it's because I'm going to split them this year. My goal this year is to go from 2 hives to 20. And then go back to 10 to winter. So I have 10 strong colonies. I took my board, with my entrance board, there's a groove down the middle where they can go out both sides, and this side goes toward the hive, such like that. So I'm going to turn it back over and take it on the front. There's a screen bottom board with a block off plate at the bottom, so the bees won't be able to get out. One of my top pieces has a lot of holes in it, so I don't have to worry about ventilation. But the bottom's not real tight. Take up the hive and block it up. And underneath it, use too short of a piece of duct tape. Alright, now I'm going to strap the 2 pieces together, hold the whole thing together.
Never seen you do this before. Have you not moved beehives before? Brr.
I hope the strap's big enough. Ah.
Perfect. Oh. My cheeks are getting cold.
Alright, it's nice and secure.
Hey, Dad.
Now I'm going to get a ramp.
Can I go inside and get a hat that goes over my
We're
cheeks?
almost done.
Hmm.
Alrighty. Now into the cart.
Ooh. It is cold.
Alright, now I'm just going to walk it up there, keeping force on it, going uphill.
Man, be careful, Dad. You know the bees could wake up.
Yeah, the bees are pretty cold yet. A little later today, they're going to be out and about wondering what happened.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
Nope.
Oh. My hands are getting cold.
Alrighty. And away I go. I already tested to see if it's top heavy, and it's not, so we're good to go. See you over there.